Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yakuras and today we're gonna review the ZOOM H1n 100 recording microphone. Because of its ease of use, the ZOOM H1n is a terrific entry point in the world of sound and audio for beginners. Because its ability to capture clean and nice sound, ZOOM H1n is used not only from beginners but also from professional filmmakers, musicians, content creators, YouTubers, vloggers like me, or whoever want to capture clean and nice sound. It's a portable and versatile recorder with many features on board. And while I'm talking right now, you can hear the voiceover that I'm recording with the ZOOM H1n in front of me in 20 centimeters distance of my mouth that I put in a small tripod and I'm using with a windscreen. On the right side there is a USB port that you can transfer your files direct to your computer and you can power your device. Unfortunately, you cannot charge your batteries. There is a button switch that you can turn on and off your device, a setting hold button, a trash button here. There is the port that you can put your micro SD card that it can be until 32 giga and also the mic input. In the back of the device is the mount for the tripod and the door for the batteries. It takes two AAA batteries that can last for 10 hours. On the left side there is a volume buttons and a port that you can put headphones so you can check your recordings. In the front of the microphone there is a record button, a play and pause button, a forward and backward button, and a stop button that works also like an option button. At the top of the device you can see a very important control element, an input level dial which lets you set input easily and quickly. In the middle of the device we have the audio button that lets you choose the audio quality. Next to it we have the low cut that lets you choose low cut filter or turn it off. Next to it we have the limiter, you can turn it on or off. And you have auto level, you can turn it on or off. For my recording right now I'm using 48K with 24-bit. I'm using 80 Hz because it's recording at the best a voice of human. I'm not using a limiter so I have it off and my auto levels are off also. When you hold the option button, the function of those buttons change, so you can put auto recording, which starts recording when audio levels exceed certain level. You can put pre-recording, it actually start recording couple of seconds before you press the record button. You can put a self-timer, a countdown before you're recording, and the sound mark that will make the synchronization much easier when you use the microphone with the camera. Okay guys, and right now let's check the microphone. I'm holding the ZOOM H1n in front of me and I'm using it like a reporter or a guy who gonna go in the streets and interview people or something. So yeah, I'm recording. I also can adjust the levels, so I don't know if it's okay the levels. And also you can hear if I'm touching the device, if you can hear any voices or something. So if I'm touching the device like this or trying to do something, I think it captured the these noises that I'm touching it. And right now I'm gonna add a voice. I'm gonna put the volume up a bit so you can hear how it sounds, and I'm gonna decrease it so you can easily decrease or increase your voice. And even you see, because I'm like a reporter, I have to keep it close to my mouth if it's very low, so it depends how far away it's from my mouth when I'm speaking. So with this type of set, you can easily, interview someone. So let's say, hey man, tell me about that. And the other guy, he's here and, oh yeah, thanks for asking. This thing work like that, and blah, blah, blah. So you can easily interview someone or going in the streets and have your microphone in front of you if it's windy or noisy and record things that you wanna record very nice, and having your camera maybe far away, or even don't need the camera, you want to record things that you want to keep here on your microphone. This windscreen that I'm using here is not coming with a package. You have to buy actually the ZOOM AP1 accessory package if you want to have this, or buy from another product. I bought the ZOOM AP1 package with it, so you can see the unboxing. They also give a tripod, some cables to put it in your computer, and so on. The reason I'm using it right now, because sometimes when we speak, we exhale air, so maybe because it's so close, maybe it will capture the wind that comes from my mouth. So I'm using it to protect from that. And we can hear now, if I remove it right now, you will hear the difference. So even I will try to blow a bit like this. And now I'm gonna remove it and see if there is a difference. Sorry for the noise. So I just remove it and you can hear what's the difference. And now I'm gonna also blow a bit on it. And while I'm talking right now, maybe you can hear sometimes even wind. So I'm now will blow on it. So you can see that this thing protects it from the wind. Okay guys, and now let's check the other ways we can use the ZOOM H1n. First one, we said you can use it handheld, holding it and record in the microphone itself. And now let's see the other ways we can use it. A second way to use the ZOOM H1n is to connect it with a lapel mic. So you can see that I connected with a cable here that comes to this lapel microphone right here. So the quality now, it actually depends also on the lapel. This one is the cheapest I could find, like it's from Speedlink, it costs like 6-7 euros. So it's the most cheap that you can find actually in the market. So you can hear how it sounds with the lapel mic and compare it with the previous, and after we're gonna use the Rode Video Micro. So this is how it sounds with the lapel mic, and let's jump to Rode Video Micro that I will connect the same way here to my ZOOM H1n. So guys, right now I'm recording to my Rode Video Micro that goes to my Zoom over here. So I'm recording internally here. You can hear the sound and judge yourself how it sounds and compare it to the other ones with the lavalier and the Zoom itself and see which is sound better. So guys, we came outside in the balcony to check the ZOOM H1n. As you probably can hear, you can probably hear the dog barking over there and maybe car passing. So this is how it sounds outside. We actually can check our audio levels here, so I can decrease it so we can capture only the one as close as possible to the microphone. So right now, if I don't want to hear the dog barking behind me, I can reduce the levels here on the microphone and just put the microphone closer to my mouth and speak more loud to it. But if I want to capture all the noise around, I can increase it and it will capture more and more noises. So right now I put around level 5 over here, and so this is how it sounds outside the microphone if you hold it handheld and you record on it. You can hear probably car passings and other things, the dogs around, but it's pretty nice. So guys, this was some ways that you can use the ZOOM H1n. It's a very nice, a very easy device to use even for beginners like me. So I'm definitely gonna use it in the future. So guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.